Nature. Nature is a beautiful creation of God. It is a precious gift to all of us living on earth. Waterfall, mountains, hills, rivers, ponds, lakes, islands, sky, stars, moon, rainbow, sea, jungle, where different kinds of animals, birds, insects are found. These all are a beautiful part of a nature on earth. Let us revise one by one in details. Waterfall. Waterfall is a place where water falls from a height. Jungle. So children, this is a picture of a jungle. A jungle is a large area covered completely with trees where we find many types of birds, insects and animals are found in the jungle. Island. This is an island. An island is a piece of a land that is surrounded by water. Lake. Lake is a large water body that is surrounded by land. Sea. Sea is a large water body of salt water. So sea water is salty to taste. Pond. A pond is a small area filled with water. Either it is natural or artificial. Sky. This is sky. Everything that we see high above the surface of the earth is called sky. These are stars. Stars are huge balls of gases which glows at night. They look tiny in size since they are very far from us. Moon. Moon is a large natural object that moves around the earth and shines at night. Rainbow. A rainbow is a multicolored and curved line in the sky when the sun shines through the falling rains. Mountain. A mountain is a landform that rises above its surrounding. Hill. A hill is a piece of a land that rises higher than the ground level. River. A river is a large natural stream of water that flows over land. So children, this all are the part of the nature. Thank you.